know that each and every human individual has different set of habits. They differ in their mindset, character, personality. We cannot compare anyone. So everyone is unique in their own way. Let us think for a while what makes everyone unique. Yes, you are correct. It's chromosomes. Chromosomes are located in the nucleus of each cell. It contains the DNA, which again comprises the genes. The genes are passed from parents to the offspring, and this gene is responsible for making each one of us unique. Chromosomes are the highly coiled and condensed form of chromatin fibers. First, let us discuss what is called chromatin fibers. Chromatin fibers are made up of nucleosome subunits. Each nucleosome comprises DNA molecule and histone proteins. One DNA molecule is packed by 8 histone proteins. First, let us understand what is called DNA. DNA is a very large molecule and is composed of two complementary strands. These two complementary strands wound around each other in the form of double helix. It looks like a ladder. Each DNA strand is made up of several nucleotide subunits. Each nucleotide consists of phosphate group, pentose sugar, and a nitrogenous base. There are 4 different nitrogenous bases present in the DNA. These include adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. These 4 nitrogenous bases fall under 2 groups, pyrimidines and purines. Cytosine and thymine are examples of pyrimidines. Guanine and adenine are examples of purines. We already discussed that each nucleotide consists of phosphate group, a sugar, and a nitrogenous base. Each strand has a backbone. It is made up of sugar and phosphate groups. And to this, the nitrogenous bases are attached. The two strands are held together by hydrogen bonds between the bases. As we have already discussed, the two strands are combined by the nitrogenous bases. So adenine always pairs with thymine with 2 hydrogen bonds. Guanine always pairs with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. In this picture, you can able to see this. Adenine always pairs with thymine with 2 hydrogen bonds. Guanine always pairs with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. This is the overall picture of chromosome. Chromosomes are nothing but they are the coiled and condensed form of chromatin fibers. Each chromatin is made up of nucleosome subunits, which in turn made up of DNA and 8 histone proteins. DNA is composed of nucleotide subunits, and each nucleotide subunit consists of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. We already discussed about the structure of nucleosome. It consists of DNA and 8 histone proteins. First, let us discuss what is the function of 8 histone proteins. So, these histone proteins help in the coiling and packaging of DNA into structural units called nucleosomes. This picture shows how the nucleosomes are arranged in a DNA double helix. Dear students, let us think for a while. A single human chromosome may have about 1 million nucleosomes. Each human cell contains approximately 2 meters of DNA. But just think about the size of a nucleus. It is just 6 micrometer in diameter. 2 meters of DNA should be packed inside 6 micrometer diameter human cell. For that purpose, histone proteins are used. chromosomes consist of two sister chromatids. You can able to see in this picture. And these two sister chromatids are joined by centromere. Chromosome in its condensed form is visible only during cell division. Other times and all, it remains as chromatin fibers. As we already discussed, each chromosome consists of centromere and it is located at a particular site. So the centromere helps to attach the spindle fibers during cell division. That we will discuss in the next video. Before that, let us discuss about genes. Genes are nothing but they are the specific sequences of nucleotides present in the DNA which regulates the body features. Genes are the units of heredity. They are responsible for transferring the characters from parents to offspring. We resemble parents because of the transfer of genes from parents to offsprings. Thank you for watching this video. Let us discuss about the cell cycle in the next video.